Another day, another journey. It's a cloudy morning today, April 10, 2022 in Saipan. I'm here at the airport for my United Airlines flight to Guam. I'm a little bit nervous because right now there is a tropical storm. As of this time, Tropical Storm Malakas is located 480 miles southwest of Saipan or 355 miles southwest of Guam. Before leaving Saipan Airport, the pilot announced that it would be a little bit bumpy flight when approaching Guam. Guam is only a 40-minute flight from Saipan. This is Rota. I visited this beautiful island a few years ago. It's also known as the Friendly Island. We are now descending Guam. The flight is indeed a little bit bumpy. It's a safe touchdown at Guam Airport. Next flight is Manila, but it's only about 10:30 a.m. and my next flight is at 7:10 p.m. It's a long wait in Guam. 2 orders of tempura noodles make my day. Guam to Manila flight is also a little bit bumpy as the pilot tried to avoid the tropical storm. I'm impressed with the United Airlines pilot. We arrived in Manila on schedule. After years of working in Saipan, I need a vacation. Vacation can reduce stress and help prevent burnout. Smile and wave!